Hi Planner Bestie, welcome to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe. In this video, I'm doing my monthly layout in my personal Discbound system. It's the Smooth by Discbound system with CP Petite Inserts, and I'll be utilizing Planner Aesthetic Hobonichi sticker kits. If this is something that will interest you, hopefully you'll stay to the end. So I've been doing some spring cleaning, some decluttering, and I found these two Hobonichi sticker kits because, like in a previous video I stated, I haven't utilized a Hobonichi planner in a few years now. But when I did use Hobonichi, I did purchase a whole lot of sticker kits. So I'm just so thrilled that I were able to find a few of them still available. I'm trying to get rid of things, but I think I'm gonna keep majority of the Hobonichi kits that I do find in my process of cleaning and decluttering. So what type of planner are you utilizing for 2024? Are you using a Discbound planner, a ring planner, or digital? So I haven't purchased Hobonichi Week sticker kits in a long time, and I did try to find a few of the shops that I did purchase before because I did like their kits, and I noticed they're no longer available or they're closed right now. So if you have any recommendations on shops that sell Hobonichi Week sticker kits that you absolutely love, please leave that in the comments so I can check that shop out. It seems like lately when I'm doing my planning and I'm laying stickers, whatever, I be struggling to lay these stickers straight. But I don't even think I really did a lot of decorative stickers last year or the year before. I can't even remember. So I'm just getting back into the swing of things or whatever with decorative planning. But one thing I have noticed this year with my decorative planning that I have been doing, I've definitely been staying more focused and on track. I can definitely tell the difference, like it's holding me accountable and to go back and reflect. The quality of these stickers from Planner Aesthetic are absolutely superb because I have removed and replaced these stickers several times. It has never once ripped or pulled anything from these pages. So kudos to Angela on these stickers because the quality is excellent. And these stickers are a few years old. So I'm definitely gonna have to go back to her shop and see if she have any new Hobonichi kits. Thank you for joining me with my monthly plan with me for the month of March. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.